let's stick together. We have been called to practice social distancing. That's the wrong concept. What we need is social cohesion, isn't it? As the crisis unfolded over the last 1 or 2 weeks here in Europe and probably also in other parts of the world, yes, in China it had unfolded already 2 months ago, we can see that many professions are in danger, but our profession, the profession of trainers and facilitators, has ceased to exist, basically. The seminar market is broken, and even if we try to move part of our business online, as I'm trying myself, that will be only a tiny fraction. So we will all be broke in a few months, like other people will be. And the question is, where do we move? Where do we move as a society? Will we move into the red meme of spiral dynamics? That means the time of warlords and survival of the fittest, or will we have a chance to practice solidarity and move up to the turquoise level, or teal, as Frederic Laloux calls it? This is the time for solidarity. This is the time for sticking together. This is the time for sitting around the virtual campfire. We can be so happy that we have the internet, can't we? Yeah. We have video conferences and social media, so we can really stick together. We can tell each other stories. We can laugh together. We can cry together. We can maybe even celebrate a little bit together. And we can look out for who are the people who are in most need and try to support them with whatever means. I'm not pessimistic. I mean, it looks like that Corona is here to stay for a while. The chief virologist in German TV yesterday said for 1 or 2 years. That's a long time, and I don't think nobody of us will have financial reserves to survive that financially. So we will all be poor after a while. But what we have is our solidarity. What we have is the feeling that we are in that all together. So let's organize many virtual campfires. I'm happy to offer some of them. And when this is over, I promise to organize the biggest festival of change makers that has ever been organized. So that will be the greatest change days. I don't know when it will be, whether it will be towards the end of this year or maybe later next year, but it will be. What are your answers? What do you think we should practice now? What do you think, how can we support each other? How can we go through that and remain somehow optimistic in these hard times? I would like to hear from you, and I would really like to meet you virtually, and then of course soon face to face. I'm Holger Nauheimer, and we will go through that.